What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are talking again about Temu mobile app. So specifically in today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can change your country. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, basically you never know when you're gonna need a little bit of help, so we're there for you and we are gonna post tons and tons of useful tutorials, so make sure to hit that notification bell on. So back to Temu mobile app. So let's say you want to change country. So we already talked about this. If you want to use their affiliate program, you have to so your country has to be United States. So keep that in mind. You do not have to live in the United States, but you need to set it up. It would be good if you have a friend or yourself have an address in the United States, but we are not gonna talk about that very much. So how to change your address. So as you can see in the bottom section of your screen, we are having couple buttons: home, categories, you, and cart. We're gonna select you, which is basically in the middle of your screen in the bottom section. So after you select it, as you can see, there are loads and loads of options over here, but we're gonna select settings. So when you press on settings, we are having also many useful options: account security, currency, notifications, privacy, and so on and so forth. But we're gonna take a look at country and region. So when you select country and region, again, we are having many countries over here to select. So keep in mind that not all of the world's countries are here. Let's say around 30 countries are here, but that's just my educated guess. So what you want to do is select the country you wish. So let's say United States. And again, as you can see, do you want to shop in United States? After switching, you will need to register or sign in again. Item availability, prices, shipping fees, and taxes may change, including items in your cart. So you can switch to United States or stay in your current country. So guys, quite an easy process. Let's go through it again. So we're gonna go to you, then we're gonna select settings, and as you can see, country and region, and just select the country in which you want to shop in. So basically guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.